When it comes to growing your business on Instagram, are you making one common hashtag mistake? Listen, I get it. Hashtags are amazing. They can put our business in front of the right people at the right time. But if you're utilizing hashtags that have millions and millions of uses in them and not utilizing any that have a lower number of use, then you are putting your overall social media strategy at risk of not succeeding. And the reason behind it is simple. Under every hashtag, Instagram has two categories: top post and most recent post. And when hashtags are utilized millions and millions of times, this means more recent posts are being dropped under that hashtag than the lower utilized ones. In turn, your post has about 30 seconds to 2 minutes in some of those tags to live at the top of the most recent feed. As it starts to cycle down, you are less likely to gain new attention from individuals who don't follow you. This is because they are less likely to scroll through and see your post. When this happens, this puts you at risk of not showing up under the top recommended post because your post therefore is not relevant under that tag. When you utilize lower used post tags, this actually gives you the opportunity to go viral and really build momentum within the tagging system. And so if you utilize a tag with 10,000 uses and you drop yourself into that top post category because people really responded to it as they were looking at that tag, you build momentum in the other tags that you were showing up under, which actually can increase your ability to show up in those more utilized tags. That's why it's always recommended to keep it down to 1 or 2 above 1 million uses. If you're not sure how to figure this number out, it's actually very easy and requires very little effort. All you have to do is open Instagram, click the search bar, and just type the hashtag that you want to utilize into that search bar. It will generate a list of hashtags that it recommends to you, but also include that one. And next to every single tag, there will be a number. And that number is how many times that tag has been utilized since it was first implemented. This is an amazing opportunity to really understand the hashtags you're using and explore new tags that you may not have even thought about. I hope that you enjoyed this tip or trick, and I would love for you to leave a comment for me and let me know if this is something new that you learned and one major thing that you struggle with when it comes to social media marketing. I am Mallory Klum, the founder of the Social Media Class, a monthly membership course that provides you with strategy and overall insight into how you can grow your business on various social media platforms while remaining true to yourself. Because let's face it, generic strategies lead to generic results. And I'm not here to tell you this is the one way you need to do it because 5 years ago somebody got 5,000 followers off of it. I want to help you grow a quality audience, stop focusing on the quantity, and understand that a lot of followers doesn't equal a lot of money. It actually can create pitfalls within your marketing because you have to struggle more to reach the right people who need you and your services. The link is in the description, and before you click away, please click subscribe. I post videos all the time talking about various social media strategies and would love to have you back. Thank you for joining me today. Have a wonderful afternoon, evening, morning, whatever it is. Bye.